Mulai siap, 2. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Excellency Dr. Siha Al-Muqtadir Binti, as a lecturer of semantics and all of my friends who love. First of all, let's giving us a basic chemistry so we can face to face in this class in healthy condition. Secondly, salawat and salam will always be given to our Prophet Muhammad SAW.
Allahumma salli wa sallim wa barik alaih.
Now in this opportunity, we are from second group. Wanna explain our analysis from War in and Peace novel.
War and Peace.
Before we explain what we get, let me introduce our group. Start from me. I'm Nur Raisul Jadid as second speaker.
I'm Atika Janang Sri Lestari as the third speaker. I am Anika Joko as the last speaker. And Sanadi as the third speaker.
Okay.
The second speaker.
Okay, to shorten the time, let's open this program by reciting basmalah together.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Next is explanation session. Start for me, the speaker. I want to explain about chapter 1 in the novel War and Peace. The first chapter opens the novel with a scene as a boy at the court of Anna Pavlovna Serel, a maid of honor and favorite of Empress Maria Fedorovna. The reader is introduced to the aristocratic atmosphere of early 19th century Russia through the conversation and interaction between the various characters present. Anna Pavlovna, facing a meet with Prince Vasily Kuragin, discuss political issue and relation between European nations of the time. The topics include important events and political discussion and political decision that would affect the fate of the nation. In chapter 1, our group chose two sentences to analyze. The word is on page 3 and 9, which are listed in the following sentences. The first sentence is, with this word, she greeted Prince Vasily Kuragin, a man of high rank and importance, who was the first to arrive at her reception. Huh?
Ciao Chibe. Send the file.
And the second sentence is now about your family. Do you know that since your daughter came out, everyone has been enamored by her. They say she is amazingly beautiful. In these two sentences, we found those sentences is part of casual entitlement. Casual entitlement is a type of entitlement where there is cause and effect relation between two statements of part of a sentence. That is, one part of the sentence casually causes or implies the addition of additional information in another part. In casual entitlement, there are elements of cause and effect that indicate that one statement is a direct consequence of the other. An example of casual entitlement from the previous sentence is the first sentence. First statement is, with this word, she greeted Prince Vasily Kuragin, a man of high rank and importance. The second statement, who has the first to arrive at her reception. So the causal entitlement occurs in here because the second part, who was the first to arrive at her reception, gives the reason or cause why Prince Vasily Kuragin was greeted with certain words in the first part. In other words, Prince Vasily Kuragin, first article, is why he was greeted in a certain way. The second sentence In the second sentence, everyone has been enraptured by her. They say she is amazingly beautiful. Causal entitlement is actually more accurately applied in the opposite direction. The second statement, they say she is amazingly beautiful, becomes the cause of the first statement, everyone has been enraptured by her. So the big dimension in the second statement creates the effect that everyone is enraptured by her, creating a causal entitlement between the two statements. That's it. That's it from me. Let's take to second presenter. Thanks, God.
Okay, here I want to explain about chapter 3. In chapter 3, I found two enhancements. The first is on page 21. Uh, the sentence is, the Vicomte know the Jew personally. Then another, how evidently he belongs to the best society. As we know that someone that know Duke personally is only someone who has good good have a best society. Have a best.
Yeah, enough sudah.
Have a good position in society. The first sentence, the peak of day know the group personally, doesn't explicitly state that he belongs to the best society. However, the second sentence, how evidently he belongs to the best society, shows an inference draw from the first piece of information. Thus, the second sentence is an entailment or implication of the first sentence, showing the Vicomte knowledge of Duke personally indicates or implies that Vicomte belongs to the best society. This is type of inferential entitlement that links the information between the two sentences so this sentences compute of inferential entitlement. And the second is on page 26. Here there are sentences. The first is Pierre had managed to start a conversation with Abel. And both were talking and listening to eagerly and too naturally. From these sentences, an inferential intent can be compared. The first statement, Pierre had managed to start conversation with Abe, provides the context that Pierre managed to start conversation with the Abe. Then the second statement, both were talking and speaking to eagerly and so naturally, implies that because both of them, Pierre and Abe, means them is Pierre and Abe, were talking eagerly and in a natural way. The conversation that Pierre started with the Abe went smoothly and with enthusiasm. That's all from me. Back to Madam.
Okay, thank you for the explanation. Next is the line is yours.
In the novel by Leo Tolstoy, in chapter 4, it is explained that in a social gathering, brings a new Bolkonsky hands met with a kind expression and the driving home with his wife, the little princess, who appeared calm. They become the center of attention, and it was evident that Prince Andrew was bored with the people around him, especially with his small wife. Prince Andrew explained that the would go to war at the camp to General Kutuzov. Time passed. Such to an elderly woman from another country. But in but impoverished family plead for Prince Vasily's help in placing her son in the guard. Although initially reluctant, Prince Vasily eventually, after being influenced by his past association with the Dragaskaya family. In this chapter, our group chose two sentences to analyze. The word is on page 30, which are listed in the following sentences. The sentence is Prince Vasily and his daughter stood up to leave. The two young men rose to let them pass. In sentence, the second sentence is a logical result of the first sentence. Entanglement occurred when one statement logically implies another. In this case, the second sentence the action of the two young men getting up to let Prince Presley and his daughter pass, which is implicitly a direct result of their action of getting up to leave. Therefore, the young man's action is a direct consequence of the action of Prince Presley and his daughter. Okay, that's all from me. I will give back to Brother.
Okay, thank you for the explanation. And last speaker, I is April.
Yeah, thank you for the effort. Here I will explain one chapter 8 in the novel by Joel Story. Here I found two gentlemen. First sentence is the friend were silent and the friend to begin talking. And the second sentence, he was free and he had nothing. And for the first sentence, neither care to start talking implies to depends on the first statement. So, the truth of the second statement depends on the truth of the first statement, which shows the entanglement relationship between the two sentences. And this sentence a type of logical entanglement. And the second statement, never care to start talking, depends logically on the first statement, where the truth of the second statement relies on the truth of the first statement directly based on its logic. And for the second sentence, he had nothing on page 60 implies on depends on the first statement. First statement here, he was free. If someone is free, has no particularly attachment or obligation, logically or in a particular context, they have nothing that limits or binds them, which is reflected in the second statement. Okay, maybe that's it. from my explanation, I give it back to moderator.
Okay, thank you for the explanation. Because all of the speaker already give the explanation, and what's the plan? I don't know. Go.
Tahu usah kamu itu bapak yang mana?
Oh yeah, that's on from our group. If there are mistakes from the beginning of the presentation, we take your apologies. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Apa belum? Nggak salah pokoknya.
Stop.